Hello and welcome to Enforcetac 2025. We're here at the Ferkinghoff booth. It's with the Springfield Armory. I'm here with Alan Remley, and he will show us a couple of firearms, actually two families of firearms. The one that he's holding, it's a submachine gun actually. And what can you tell us about this gun?
Yeah, it's a brand new design, just came out, introduced this morning at the show. So it is a delayed blowback roller design. So a lot of different features on this. This one here is chambered in 9. We also have it chambered in 40 cal. But as you said, submachine gun, so you got 3-position safety selector here. This comes full rail all across the top. You have optional flip-up sights. So you have fixed sights, but then you also have the flip-up sights that give you longer range.
Right?
Yeah, and co-witnessing through your optic on your mount there. Fully ambidextrous controls, so you got controls on either side for everything. Mag release on the right or the left. Same fully ambidextrous charging handle here. So you got charging handle on either side. So this is the military version.
Of course.
Full auto, obviously, and folding stock as well. So nice.
Becomes very nice and compact.
Nice and compact folding stock, fully adjustable here, adjustable for length of pull.
What's the name of this gun?
This gun here is called the Kuna.
Kuna?
So this is manufactured by our partner in Croatia.
Okay.
We have a strategic alliance with HS Product out of Croatia, a well-known brand here in Europe.
Yep.
And this is 100% their product. They designed this in consultation with us at Springfield Armory for a military contract that we have pending right now. So originally it's chambered in 40 cal. We'll also have it 9mm, obviously.
Okay.
But the contract called for a 40 cal.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the genesis of this gun. It was a specific military contract we were working on. And the name, the Kuna, is actually the former Croatian currency.
Oh.
So before they switched to the euro,
Yep.
their Kuna was the name of their currency. And so that's where it is. It's actually a European pine marten. It's a little, it's got big claws and big teeth. So it's kind of a cool little logo that you'll see on you can show the logo there. So
There are a few
awesome gun with an awesome name.
There are a few things that stand out apart from the M-lock and the possibility of having, this is first of all, it's a proprietary mag.
Yeah, it's a proprietary mag, so it is HS's design, so it's not compatible with other mags in the market. But the good thing is, since it's a polymer magazine, it is relatively inexpensive to make. So the magazine will not be cost prohibitive on this gun.
And I also note that there is a very specific barrel interface for the muzzle.
Yeah, we have a tri-lug design on the barrel, so any sort of the other aftermarket attachments to fit a tri-lug design like this interface there will accommodate that.
The first thing that comes to mind, this is of course a very professional product because it's a selected fire gun.
Correct.
And will there be
a civilian version? Certainly, yeah. We'll have a semi-auto civilian version available in 9mm. In the United States, we have short barrel rifle restrictions, so we will have a pistol version, just a standard pistol version.
Without stock,
without a stock, correct, yeah. So, but for the European market, there will be several different configurations in a semi-auto version for the civilian market in Europe.
Yeah, we don't have that kind of a limitation that calls for a $200 stamp. Well,
yes,
yeah. But
exactly.
there's also other guns that we're promised to be looking at, and they're long guns, right? Yeah,
so that's our submachine gun platform there. And then again, many years ago, HS Product developed the Hellion, which is a bullpup design. So your actions rearward of your trigger group allows for a full-length rifle, 16-inch rifle, 16-inch barrel, in a smaller platform overall, because you're moving the action rearward of the trigger group. That being said, this bullpup design is the official military weapon for the Croatian military.
So it's a very proven design.
It's a very proven design.
Already a service rifle, already in service, and all that stuff.
It's been in use for many years in the military, and. So obviously, again, this is a full auto design here. Your selector switch.
We do have the semi-auto version here to showcase.
So we do have a civilian version or semi-auto version, and that's in the United States we call it the Hellion. So it's basically the big brother of the Hellcat pistol, which the Hellion, and same thing. So overall, same design. You've got your M-locks. You've got your full pick rail across the top. You've got flip sights and adjustable stock.
But there is also a very specific thing. This is an AR-15
Correct.
compatible hand grip.
So you can change out to your favorite AR style hand grip. And this takes, the other conversion we made on the Hellion is it takes AR magazines.
Wow,
so instead of having proprietary magazines on the VHS, this has been converted to accept AR style magazines. So those are the big differences between the original VHS and the Hellion, which is the civilian version.
Okay. Also, the military version comes in a plethora of versions with the different barrel length.
It's different barrel length. In the military version, you have grenade launcher options, and you talked about different bayonet options, grenade launcher options, different things for the military version. The civilian version isn't as adaptable to those types of things because it's the civilian version.
Yes, of course.
Right.
And I see that there is one that has integrated optics, for example.
Yeah, like this here, this military version has integrated optics. This top end of the whole thing, the optics are actually integrated inside of the carry handle there.
It is a very interesting product, and I think that we've basically said everything. This is only in 5.56. I think
Correct.
the only chambering is this is it.
It is in, yeah, it's chambered in 5.56 only.
5.56
That is correct.
only, okay.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much, Alan. It's been
No problem.
a pleasure
Thanks.
talking to
Yeah.
you. And please continue following offshooters.com.